Are you looking for the best foam roller? In this video, we will break down the top foam rollers on the market. Before we get started with our video detailing the best foam rollers, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out. Starting off at number 1, we have the TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller. The TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller is made of ethylene vinyl acetate foam of varying densities and has a hollow core. EVA absorbs impact, is resistant to water and other elements, and is also easy to clean. The unique surface pattern of the grid helps with rolling through kinks, knots, and tight muscles. The original grid is 5.5 inches in diameter and 13 inches long, but you can get it in a number of different sizes. The original has a weight limit of 500 pounds and comes with instructions as well as access to an online instructional video. TriggerPoint backs the quality of the grid with a 1-year warranty. Runner's World said that it is a good introductory roller that offers medium firmness and holds up even with long-term heavy use. They also highlighted its compact design, making it convenient for travel. At number 2, we have the Hyperice Vyper 3-speed vibrating foam roller. The rugged outer shell of the Hyperice Vyper is made of polypropylene, which transfers vibration well, and features 16 small ridges that dig into soft tissue. It measures 6 inches in diameter by 15 inches long and weighs 4 pounds. There are 3 intensity settings that range from 28 to 38 Hz. The Vyper is approved by the TSA for carrying on board flights, and is backed by a 1-year warranty. 2 of the high-profile owners of Hyperice are pro football running back Adrian Peterson and NBA star Blake Griffin, and other pro athletes in several other sports have tested and given the Vyper their seal of approval. Gizmodo took a look at the Vyper when it was still trying to attract funding through Kickstarter. Needless to say, the Vyper easily surpassed its goal. The reviewer found the foam was firm and that the vibration settings were equally intense, but they noted this was helpful for loosening tissues. The RX review rated this roller highly because it is powerful and portable. However, they didn't like how short it is and that you have to remember to charge it. Plus, it's quite heavy for a roller. At number 3, we have the LuxFit Premium High Density Foam Roller. The LuxFit Premium High Density Foam Roller is made of 2 pounds per cubic foot density molded polypropylene foam, which repels liquid. It measures 6 inches in diameter and comes in 3 lengths, 12, 18, and 36 inches. LuxFit manufactures this foam roller in the United States and stands behind its quality with a 1-year limited warranty. The premium high-density foam roller is the least expensive option on our list, so it's no surprise that it doesn't come with any extras like instructions or booklets. The LuxFit Premium Foam Roller was featured on Heavy's list of the best foam rollers because it's ideal for post-workout massages and physical therapy due to a variety of sizes available and extra firm construction. However, the site noted that when wearing certain materials, you may slide across the surface of this roller. And at number 4, we have the original Tigertail Massage Stick. The Tigertail Massage Stick has a finely textured dense foam exterior and plastic core. The handles feature soft ribbed rubber grips. This model comes in 3 lengths, 11, 18, and 22 inches. The foam roller surface length for each of these is 10, 10, and 14 inches respectively. The massage stick works like a rolling pin. You hold the handles and the foam rolls over your sore spots. This allows you to use the massage stick in a variety of different positions. Tigertail USA covers the massage stick with a 3-year no-hassle warranty. In its review, the Wirecutter says the stick does not compete to the amount of pressure you can get from one of the on-the-floor rollers, but it supplements these options well, is much more portable, and can really get into tight spots. So that sums up our top foam rollers. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like on the video, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next time, have a great day.